most successful contractors don't just choose any supplier. They choose a partner backed by proven expertise. Growing a pavement maintenance business requires more than quality materials. It requires professional-grade equipment, operational efficiency, and consistent local support. SealMaster supports contractors at every stage of business growth, from startup operations to high-volume production environments. With more than 150 manufacturing and distribution locations nationwide, SealMaster provides both national strength and local accessibility. Access to materials when you need them reduces downtime and protects job schedules. That level of availability helps contractors maintain consistency and meet customer expectations without interruption. SealMaster offers a comprehensive line of pavement sealers formulated for durability, long-term surface protection, and an exceptionally rich, uniform black finish. Available formulations include asphalt-based, acrylic-based, liquid petroleum-based, and coal tar options, allowing contractors to match material selection to project requirements. Ready-to-use technologies, including ultra pavement sealers, help reduce mixing time and improve job site efficiency, supporting faster turnaround without sacrificing quality. In addition to sealers, contractors can source crack fillers, additives, repair products, traffic paint, dust control solutions, and sports surfacing coatings, all from a single location. Consolidating supply purchasing simplifies logistics, improves workflow, and allows crews to stay focused on production rather than procurement. Equipment selection plays a central role in productivity and long-term profitability. SealMaster provides professional-grade seal coating and crack filling equipment engineered for durability, performance, and ease of operation. Platform configurations range from portable and trailer-mounted systems to high-capacity truck-mounted units, enabling contractors to align equipment with production goals and projected growth. Ongoing support remains a critical component of long-term equipment value. SealMaster locations provide equipment replacement parts, maintenance service, and rental equipment to reduce downtime and maintain productivity. Financing options are available to qualified buyers, making equipment investment more accessible while preserving capital. For contractors seeking to expand services, SealMaster, a world-leading brand specializing in acrylic surfacing systems, offers opportunities in tennis, basketball, pickleball, and recreational markets. Expanding into sports surfacing creates additional revenue streams while leveraging existing application expertise. More than 3 billion gallons of sealer have been applied worldwide using SealMaster formulas, reflecting decades of unmatched product performance and contractor trust. SealMaster provides premium materials, durable equipment, and unparalleled support designed to help grow your pavement maintenance business. To discover how SealMaster can become your one-stop source for products, equipment, and unmatched support, contact your local representative today.